If you're not using AI in 2025, you're basically living in the Stone Age. AI is reshaping everything: content creation, marketing, and even passive income, making it ridiculously easy to work smarter, not harder. Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to make money online, AI can automate tasks, boost efficiency, and skyrocket your success. After nearly a decade of making money online and helping thousands do the same, I'm here to reveal 7 game-changing AI tools that can save you hours and unlock new income streams. And guess what? Many are free to try. Let's dive into the AI revolution. 7. Weball by Wondershare. AI video marketing without the hassle. One of the most time-consuming parts of digital marketing is creating engaging video content. Weball by Wondershare changes that by allowing you to turn text into video or product links into professional advertisements. This is particularly useful for affiliate marketers and e-commerce sellers looking to promote products without hiring video editors or spending hours creating content manually. Weball offers AI avatars that look almost human, and you can even upload your own photo to make a custom talking avatar. The tool can generate video ads within seconds, analyze product listings, and automatically create high-quality content. This is a game-changer for anyone involved in dropshipping or affiliate marketing, as it allows you to produce TikTok-style product ads instantly. To use Weball, you simply need to log in, find a product to promote, paste the link into the system, and let AI do the rest. You can customize the language, duration, and other settings before generating the final video. If you want to make adjustments, Weball allows you to edit the script, swap avatars, and fine-tune everything before exporting the final product. 6. ChatGPT, the AI that writes for you and boosts your income. ChatGPT has become one of the most popular AI tools on the internet, and for good reason. It can generate high-quality written content on demand, making it an invaluable resource for bloggers, marketers, and YouTubers. From crafting engaging articles to writing persuasive sales copy, ChatGPT takes the pain out of content creation. What most people don't know is that you can actually sell ChatGPT-generated prompts for profit. Websites like PromptBase allow users to buy and sell prompts, and many people are making serious money doing this. Another powerful way to use ChatGPT is for YouTube script writing. If you run a faceless YouTube channel, you can use AI-generated scripts to create high-quality videos that actually get views. AI-powered prompts can optimize scripts for engagement, increasing the chances of your video going viral. If you don't want to spend money on ChatGPT prompts, I have personally purchased over $500 worth of premium prompts, and you can access them for free through my community link. This means you can start creating AI-driven content without any upfront investment. 5. Pixels, AI-powered thumbnail creation for YouTube and freelancers. Creating high-quality YouTube thumbnails used to require expensive graphic designers or hours of effort in Photoshop. Pixels AI changes that by generating thumbnails in seconds. This tool is essential for YouTubers who want to save time and money while maximizing click-through rates. One of the standout features of Pixels is the ability to recreate viral thumbnails. By pasting the link of a popular video, Pixels will generate a similar but unique thumbnail, ensuring that your content stands out while maintaining the appeal of proven designs. This AI tool is also a goldmine for freelancers. Many people sell YouTube thumbnails on Fiverr for $50 or more per design. One seller alone has over 10,000 reviews, which means they've likely earned over $50,000 just by selling thumbnails. You can use Pixels to generate professional thumbnails instantly and sell them on Fiverr, DesignCrowd, or People Per Hour. 4th Story Short, AI that automates viral YouTube shorts. YouTube Shorts are currently one of the easiest ways to get millions of views and grow a channel. Many faceless YouTube channels post AI-generated shorts about history, mysteries, and strange facts, and they make a fortune from ad revenue. Story Short AI automates the entire process, making it easy to create viral content without any technical skills. To create shorts that perform well, start by researching viral trends. Take screenshots of popular shorts on YouTube and analyze their titles. Then, use ChatGPT to generate 10 new viral title ideas based on those trends. Once you have a solid title, Story Short AI will generate a complete script for you. You can exclude unnecessary parts of the script and refine it to ensure it remains engaging. After that, upload the script to Story Short AI, which will create a full video with voiceovers, captions, animations, and transitions, all in under a minute. This tool makes it possible to produce multiple shorts daily, increasing the chances of one going viral and generating substantial ad revenue. 3rd, SE Writing, AI that writes SEO-friendly blog posts in seconds. For those who prefer long-form content, SE Writing AI is an excellent tool that generates entire blog posts with minimal effort. Whether you're running a personal blog or looking to make money through affiliate marketing, this tool can save you hours of writing time. C. Writing allows you to input a main keyword, such as best online business ideas, and automatically generates a well-structured, SEO-optimized blog post. It even suggests NLP keywords to help your article rank higher on Google. One of the best strategies for monetizing AI-generated blog posts is using Medium.com. Medium gets millions of visitors every month, making it a great platform for gaining exposure. By publishing AI-written articles on Medium with embedded affiliate links, you can drive traffic and generate sales without having to build your own website. 2. VidIQ, AI that helps you grow your YouTube channel faster. Growing a YouTube channel requires more than just creating videos. It requires knowing what viewers want. VidIQ is an AI-powered tool that provides insights into trending video topics, keyword research, and viral content ideas. It acts as your personal YouTube growth assistant, giving you data-driven strategies to help your videos reach the right audience. VidIQ offers a viral video ideas feature that shows which topics are currently performing well. By analyzing the outlier score, you can identify videos that are significantly outperforming others in your niche. This allows you to create similar content that has a higher chance of attracting views and engagement. Understanding which trends are working in real time helps you stay ahead of the competition and produce content that resonates with viewers. Another powerful feature of vidIQ is its keyword research tool. By entering a keyword like YouTube automation, you can see how many people are searching for it each month. This helps you choose video topics that have high demand and low competition, increasing the chances of ranking on YouTube's search results. vidIQ also provides title and tag suggestions, ensuring that your videos are SEO optimized for maximum reach. By using vidIQ strategically, you can optimize your content for maximum visibility and accelerate your YouTube growth. Whether you're a beginner looking to gain traction or an experienced creator aiming to scale up, vidIQ equips you with the right tools to work smarter, not harder, helping you get more views, subscribers, and revenue in record time. Number 1. Pika Labs, AI that creates animated videos in seconds. Pika Labs AI, formerly known as PoloDo AI, is an innovative tool that allows users to generate high-quality animated videos from simple text descriptions. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, social media, or even selling animated clips as stock footage, this tool makes it effortless. The process is simple. Describe the animation you want, such as an astronaut working on a laptop on the moon, and Pika Labs AI will generate it within seconds. This tool is perfect for anyone running a faceless YouTube channel or creating digital content without needing expensive software or animation skills. The animations produced are not just visually impressive, but also customizable, allowing creators to tweak details to match their brand or storytelling needs. With AI handling the heavy lifting, you can focus on creativity and strategy instead of spending hours learning animation software. If you're unsure how to start a faceless YouTube channel, my community provides a free YouTube automation blueprint. This guide helps you choose a niche, set up your channel, and create content efficiently using AI. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, or marketer, Pika Labs AI opens the door to limitless possibilities in the world of animated video content. And that's a wrap. If you found these AI tools mind-blowing, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more future videos. Drop a comment below if you're ready to let AI do the heavy lifting while you sit back and enjoy the profits.